Today I'm going to show you how to remove the A pillars for running the wire through the A pillar to the dashcam, or running the wire to install a microphone. This is a Porsche Cayenne 958. The structure is different from the previous versions. So in the previous version, like 957 or Audi Q7, you have to remove this plastic cap and remove unlock the screw to open it. But the structure is different from here. So you first you have to pry out each side, and pop it up. You can only pop it up from here. So now I'm going to how the structure inside. See here. So this is the exact part inside this area. So when you pry out, it's fixed. It is still fixed like this. You can never try to pull it out because this is made of very high strength nylon. So what you're going to do to remove this, you better use a long nose plier to rotate the head to 90 degrees, and it comes out very easily. You see, like this. Just rotate the head 90 degrees and it's released. And for the lower parts, there are two metal clips. Just pry it out. Two metal clips here. The structure of this plastic cap is different. This is welded here. You can never pry it out from here. You will break this part. Then for the wire, I recommend you to run the wire through this channel. There are two plastic caps here. Just house the wire inside and cap. House the wire inside and cap. You run the microphone here or run the dashcam cable inside this gap to the dashcam. So I hope this video can help you guys.